Welcome to Unplug Your Mind, 5 Easy Steps to Escape the Matrix. Today, we will guide you through a journey of self-discovery and liberation. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Question reality. Take a moment to reflect on your surroundings. Are you truly living the life you desire, or are you being controlled by societal expectations? Question everything and start seeking your own truth. Step 2. Expand your awareness. Open your mind to new ideas and perspectives. Engage in conversations with different people, read books, watch documentaries. By expanding your awareness, you'll gain a clearer vision of your purpose and the world around you. Step 3. Challenge your beliefs. Our beliefs shape our reality. Take a closer look at yours. Are they limiting you? Allow yourself to question and challenge them. Embrace growth and let go of any beliefs that don't align with who you truly are. Step 4. Break free from fear. Fear keeps us trapped in the matrix. Face your fears head-on and conquer them. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace uncertainty. By embracing fear, you'll unlock new opportunities for personal growth and fulfillment. Step 5. Embrace authenticity. Strip away the layers of conformity and embrace your true self. Let go of societal expectations and listen to your inner voice. Embracing authenticity will empower you to live a life of purpose and create your own reality. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps to break out of your matrix. Remember, the journey towards liberation takes time, but it's worth every moment. Keep questioning, expanding, challenging, breaking free, and embracing your authenticity. Thanks for watching Unplug Your Mind, 5 Easy Steps to Escape the Matrix. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Embrace your true self and live your best life. Remember,